Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your cover photo on Facebook. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you open it, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. From there, tap on your name to go to your profile. Now, on your profile page, tap on your cover photo at the top of the screen. And tap on View Profile Cover. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now a menu will pop up with a few options. From here, tap on Delete Photo. Tap on Delete to confirm. And that's how easy it is to delete your cover photo on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.